I'll be talking today about one of Green Array's app notes, AN008, which is exploring an accelerometer, how we interface to the accelerometer, what the accelerometer is, and in particular how, using Polyforth, we can interface across an entire chip to access the I/O ports on the edge of the array. So in order to do this, I'm going to try and cover a lot of ground. I'm going to discuss a little bit about the chip itself, how the array is set up, and how the I/O pins are connected to the chip. Because quite often we'll be executing code in one node of the chip, but we'll want to access I/O pins that are on another node. And this is one of the most important features that the chip gives us, the ability to do inter-processor communication very efficiently. The accelerometer we're using is from VTI. It's called a CMA 3000. It has a SPI interface on it that does mostly 16-bit transfers. I'd like to very quickly go over the SPI interface, but you should probably read a full SPI interface manual so you know the real details. So take this as a quick overview of an SPI interface. The SPI interface is a serial interface which has a chip select line, a clock line, and a data outline from the processor to the device, and a data inline from the device to the processor. The device is usually activated while chip select is low, which means you can have multiple chip selects and several devices sharing the same serial lines.